Imagine someone deciding to buy a new smartphone. They don't wake up in the morning and instantly make a purchase. First, they see an ad or hear about the phone from a friend. Then they search online, watch reviews on YouTube, compare different models, visit a store or website, and only after that do they finally decide to buy. This entire path, from first discovery to final purchase, is called the customer journey. Understanding this journey is one of the most important tasks in modern marketing. Customer journey mapping is the process of analyzing every step a customer takes before, during, and even after buying a product. Instead of focusing only on the moment of purchase, companies study the full experience that leads customers to that decision. By understanding this journey, businesses can identify where customers become interested, where they hesitate, and what finally convinces them to buy. Most customer journeys follow several key stages. The first stage is awareness, where customers discover that a product or brand exists. This might happen through social media, advertisements, search engines, or recommendations from friends. For example, someone might see an ad for a new smartphone while scrolling through Instagram or watching a YouTube video. The second stage is consideration, where customers start comparing different options. At this stage, they search online, read reviews, watch product comparisons, and evaluate whether the product fits their needs. Companies like Apple and Samsung invest heavily in product reviews, online content, and influencer partnerships because they know customers spend significant time researching before making a decision. The third stage is purchase, where the customer finally decides to buy the product. This could happen in a physical store or through an online platform like Amazon or Alibaba. At this stage, factors like price, convenience, delivery speed, and customer trust play a major role in influencing the final decision. But the journey doesn't end after the purchase. The next stage is retention, where companies try to keep customers satisfied so they continue buying from the brand. Good customer service, loyalty programs, and product quality all contribute to retention. Finally, satisfied customers may enter the advocacy stage, where they recommend the brand to others through reviews, social media posts, or word of mouth. Companies map this entire process using customer journey maps, which help visualize how customers interact with a brand across different touchpoints. For example, Amazon carefully optimizes every stage, from product discovery to one-click checkout and fast delivery, making the entire experience smooth and convenient. Understanding the customer journey allows businesses to improve each interaction customers have with their brand. Instead of focusing only on selling a product, companies design a complete experience that guides customers from awareness to loyalty. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore the psychology behind why people buy things through the fascinating topic of consumer behavior.